In this video, we want to find cosine of pi over 96. So what we're going to end up doing is using the half angle identity multiple times to solve it. So we first start off with the half angle identity, which is cosine theta over 2 is equal to square root of 1 plus cosine theta all over 2. And now this we can simplify. So let me write it like this: 1 plus cosine theta over 2. I can multiply the top and the bottom by 2. So the numerator will distribute the 2, get 2 plus 2 cosine theta. Denominator is 4. This 4 now can come outside of the square root as 1/2, and we have 2 plus 2 cosine theta left. So that's what's over here. So now with cosine pi over 12, that's, if you want, that's cosine of 15 degrees. But you may have memorized it. This is square root of 6 plus square root of 2 over 4. But if we use this formula over here, we'll see that, I guess we should write it out better. So this will be cosine, instead of 15 degrees, it's 30 degrees over 2, which is 1/2 square root of 2 plus 2 cosine 30 degrees. So that's 1/2 square root of 2 plus 2, and then cosine of 30 is 1/2. Oh, sorry, with 3 over 2. The 2's cancel. We're left with 1/2 square root of 2 plus square root of 3. So that's how we get this. And then we just continue this with cosine pi over 24. We know that this is cosine of pi over 12 over 2, which is 1/2 square root of 2 plus 2 cosine pi over 12. And then recall that pi over 12, or 2 cosine, so cosine pi over 12, we said is 1/2 square root of 2 plus square root of 3. So that's, the 2's are going to cancel. You're left with 1/2 square root of 2 plus square root of 2 plus square root of 3. So that's over here. And so the difference here is that we're adding another square root of 2 plus square root of 3. So you just follow the pattern, basically. When we go to pi over 48, we're just going to add another square root of 2 plus that. So it's 2 plus 1/2 square root of 2 plus square root of 2 plus square root of 2 plus square root of 3. And then we go to cosine pi over 96. We do another one. 1/2 times the square root of 2 plus 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 square root of 3. And so that's going to be the final answer.